one more meeting we had, a very detailed, inclusive meeting between both the Honorable Chief Ministers, Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And I would like to inform you that more or less we almost completed to reach to the agreement in those areas which ever we already inspected. And now again, both the Chief Ministers has directed the concerned government to bring out all the detailed report, and thereafter one more meeting will be there between the two Chief Ministers, and thereafter they will be meeting even the Honorable Union Home Minister, and hopefully maybe on the 20th or before 21st, maybe they'll come back and then final agreement will be made public to both the state of Assam and Meghalaya. So this is the meeting that we had.
Jadi sir, bagani ka jingwan maka entang dengan report nekan. Ini nakalang sarkar Assam berkenan karena konstruksi dan nekan penulis di development jangka jangka sarkar.
Okay, iya kan ni? Oh, iya kan ni wilayah kan? Menadon katukan ni issues kaba kadon ka JGM project jong itu kisnong kaba haba ka block 2. Iya kan ni wilayah kan? Tinakaliam jong chief sa Assam, he already assured laong ba sa take care sa instruction ni concern district administration but kumjuru yakin SPs hagi district iba perother ba kanum jeshu kini ke nation.
Long nang smart kin lah adin bang ada agreement kin namna issue.
Oh, kanum not. Namar yakan ni kalau adon lepas standard agreement kalau ba abaton itu issue. Itu guna komot arteli kini district administration la kalong nak Assam kalong Meghalaya komot kin ya syong nang ta kin ya share issue profit kanang ba kanum don kanum bijikta hakabai de berkaroi kepa jom itu bisnom diba don itu bijaka kita long disputed.
So what are the locations which have been taken up today, sir? The locations of dispute which has been the focus of talks today?
Well, in fact, we had six areas or 6 sectors which we already started, and all these areas we discussed today. And as I said to you, very soon again both the chief ministers will sit down after getting all the detailed report from both the state government. They will sit down again, and thereafter they will take a final.
Sir, how are both the governments planning to go ahead with the other 6 areas, sir? Many of which have been called as rather difficult areas.
Yeah, that too. Let us see. Let us wait, because right now we are yet to cross the bridge. But right now we are focusing on these 6 areas. So therefore, let us focus ourselves on these 6 areas, and thereafter again both the chief ministers will take a call which date or which month should we again take up those remaining 6 areas.
So sir, for these particular 6 areas, when will the two chief ministers be meeting again in follow-up to today's meeting?
Yeah, very soon. That's what I've told you. In fact, we wish, if it is possible, because Meghalaya State, we are going to celebrate our 50th year on the 21st of January. Hopefully, maybe before that, both the chief ministers will take a final decision on this.
आज जो 6 एरिया के बारे में बोला है वो 6 एरिया कौन-कौन